Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Sparrow Wallet not working. If Sparrow Wallet is not opening, not syncing or showing errors, do not panic. Most issues are connection or the configuration related, and here's how to fix it step by step. First, what you can do is you can simply open your computer. After that, you can go to this Windows here and select to this icon power and find this restart, and you can restart your computer and run Sparrow as administrator Windows as well, or you can simply reinstall the latest version from the official website as well, and make sure your antivirus or firewall is not blocking it. Your wallet has stored separately so that reinstalling does not delete your wallet file. Or sometimes if your Wi-Fi could cause your Sparrow wallet not working, you can go to this Wi-Fi here, turn on or off to your Wi-Fi setting as well, or you can simply restart your router. And if the wallet is not loading, simply first open to your Sparrow wallet. You can go to the file here and you can simply select to this open wallet here, browse to your Sparrow wallet folder manually, and you can find this. If corrupted, you can restore from the seed phrase as well, and make sure you're fully synced by switching from your own node to the public server temporarily, and you can restart your Sparrow as well. You can simply go back and simply open to your Sparrow wallet again. And that is it. This is how you can fix your Sparrow wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.